HardluckCharlie here, and you're probably wondering, well, you're probably not wondering why they call me HardluckCharlie, but this is the same machine. I just changed the drive coupler on a while back. Now it's not spinning, so we're going to change out the cogs inside this agitator, because as you can see, when you turn this thing back and forth, it's supposed to be catching on the lower agitator. They're supposed to work together and ratchet, but this thing doesn't ratchet at all. So we're going to get inside here and we'll show you what's going on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pop off this cap and just take a screwdriver, put it in the slot here, pop that cap up off there. It's just held in with a rubber gasket. Okay, inside here you can see these dogs that come out right down inside there, and those are supposed to catch along that ring on the outside, and when the bottom agitator moves, it's supposed to move the top, and then it ratchets, and then it ratchets, and it ratchets, agitates the clothes around. So these little dogs down in here are not grabbing the outer ring. So we're just going to pull this thing up out of here and pop those dogs off and put some new ones on. So to get that off, we just take our 1/2-inch ratchet, put it right down here into this slot, and take this center, I call it a nut, but anyways, that's basically what it is, and it just holds this centerpiece down in here. Pop that out. Right here are the dogs that need to be replaced, these 4. So we'll just pull this ring up here a little bit. Okay. Then we grab hold of these dogs, just pop them out. So pull all these out, and then we just put some new ones on. I went ahead and ordered some off of eBay. $3.20 included shipping. And these are factory certified or whatever. Anyhow, they're just what we need. So we take them out of the bag, pop them back into the, put them back in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push the ring back down. Put this back down inside here. Take our ratchet extension. Screw this puppy back down. Take our cap. I guess we can test it first, but we'll see if it's, see? It's catching. Alright. Done. That's it. Fixed. Thanks for watching.